first performance of the night for the Banyu Vocals Choir. My name is Miss Cannon. I'm one of the music teachers here. And this song, this is actually a very advanced piece of music. They performed it for the Board Music Festival. And even though the choir is, it's actually, they performed in the senior choir category, which is grade 11s and 12s. So it was a senior category piece of music, more advanced. The choir does have grade 11s and 12s in it, but it is mostly made up of grade 9s and 10s. They learned the piece very, very well. This piece is called Ave Maria, so it's a setting of the Hail Mary. And it is a Renaissance piece, so it was written around year 1600, so it's going to sound very different, okay, than the music from today. But it is a very beautiful piece. And see if you can hear, it's in four-part harmony, so see if you can hear the overlapping of all four parts, okay? Thank you very much. There's a little pause now, a little break in the performances, and the next performance is Melissa on the piano, has some solo piano, so she will be starting in just a couple of minutes, okay, but there's a little pause.